What's up, my YouTube friends? Johnny V out here. It's a windy Thursday morning. It's a cool, crisp, windy Thursday morning. I'm trying to see how about the progress of this off ramp. It's gonna be a long time, I think. It's already been what, almost 3 years. Man, I'm sorry about the wind. I'm trying to block it the best I can. It's been what, 3 years already? Wow, it's crazy. How y'all been? Smash that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you haven't, all that good stuff. You know the drill. I'm risking my life out here trying to get this video for y'all. Y'all can see y'all can see this bridge. I guess it's an overpass. It's not technically a bridge, right? I'm gonna be still in a second and get a good view of it. What's today? September, I want to say 29th. Could be 30th, but I think it's September 29th. A lot of work going on. A lot of workers out here. That's pretty. Don't fall in that hole. Goodness gracious. We're here on Veterans Memorial Highway. Looks like they're a few months away still. There used to be a hotel over there and a Wendy's. They tore all that down so they can build this overpass. Is it blurry? I hope not. And if this is blurry, let me know in the comments. How y'all been? Y'all doing alright? Good, glad to hear it. Who has a plane taking off from the airport? Yeah, I hope it's taking off from the airport, right? Where else would it be taking off from? I guess I could just say there's a plane taking off. Oh, it's windy out here. Is the hurricane force winds out here? Man, I know that hurricane was a scare for the New Orleans area for a while. My aunt actually booked a hotel room in North Louisiana in Monroe because she's deathly afraid of the hurricanes. But she got a backup power source at our house that she'll never use. I mean, she can't turn it on when she leaves because it can only run for 3 days before oil needs to be changed or something like that. I guess you're supposed to be living in it I guess you're supposed to be actively in the house when the thing is running. It's like a backup power source. I guess it's a home generator. I'm sure the thing costs like $10,000 or $12,000 minimum. Probably $12,000 or $14,000. I don't know. She's just so scared of the hurricanes. It's amazing. Here's a good shot. See the Kenner cop cars. Those are old Kenner cop cars. There's a Kenner cop over there. Kenner office building or something. Kenner police. Oh, it's the Kenner police something building. Nick Conjummy building, maybe? I don't know. The speed limit is 35 out here. Why is it 35? It should be at least 45. You know, I think that this used to be a one-lane road each way, each direction, of course. And I think the speed limit used to be 25. They used to always have cops out here. But I mean, what I'm talking about back in the day, they didn't have a lot of traffic out here. This putting the airport down here. Man, if you owned a piece of property out here, you could build a little convenience store. I'm sure you can make a couple $100,000 a year on a little convenience store. I would just sit there and run it myself. I'd open up real early in the morning, like 4 a.m. to catch the early flights. And I'd close, I don't know when. This is the corner of Veterans and Gadsden Street. It's a Susan Park Gymnasium over there. It's not much to see out here. I just wanted to get that the progress of the exit off of the interstate for the what's the name of that guy? It's Louis Armstrong Airport. I knew he was a musician. I just couldn't think of his name for some reason. The Louis Armstrong international airport. They have several international flights. I think Cancun, I know Cancun is one, maybe Honduras, Panama City. I think Copa Airlines flies to Panama City. That's the furthest south they go. And I think 3 times a week they go to London. British Airways flies, I think 3 times a week. Like Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, something like that. And British Airways does that. And they were using a Boeing 788, I think 787. I think it's called a Dreamliner. I want to get on that plane. I've never been on that plane before. I've only been on twice. I've only been on 2 big planes in my life, and both of them were Airbus 330s, 330-200, I believe. And that was when I went to Greece. I went from Philadelphia to Greece. Then we took a ferry, or overnight ferry. It was like a cruise ship, really, because we had our own sleeping quarters, me and Manny. And when we flew home, we flew from Rome to Charlotte. It was American Airlines, and it was an Airbus 330. You know, the double aisle, like 7 across, and 7 across, I believe. 2, 4, and I think it was 2 on the aisles by the windows, and 4 in the middle section. So it's, I guess it's 8. I guess I can't add 2, 4. It's 8 across. It was a big plane, and it was packed. And this was right before the pandemic. I want to say, ooh, that plane's going up fast. I think I want to say 2018. Might have been 2017, but I think it was 2018. Alright, y'all subscribe, smash the thumbs up button for me, and I'll see y'all in the next video. It's Johnny V out from KENNER MSY.